Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February 8th, 2022. We have here three puzzles left. I've already solved the 3 stars and the 4 stars puzzle, Sudokus. We have the tectonic with 4 stars left, the binary, and the killer Sudoku. But first, for you, the binary puzzle, boys and girls. Binary puzzle and number, I believe number 4096. Alright, 4096. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. A double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Let me see. Yeah. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Let me think. Okay. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Overlooked. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Okay. Then. Do we need to compare? Well, these are almost the same. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Interesting. Do we need to compare? Yeah. This column and that column. Okay. 1, 1. Empty box, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Okay. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 4 minutes. Okay, with only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Killer Sudoku and the tectonic one. Yeah. See you then. Bye bye for now.